Welcome to the shortwave radio channel, and well, here it is. This is the famous new Sangean receiver, the ATS-909X2, as they call it, the ultimate FM, shortwave, medium wave, long wave, air, multiband radio. So, nice big box with this receiver in it. And if we open the box, of course, we will see that inside is a few little things. First of all, interesting that here you will have a little chart that you can refer to with bandwidths and the bandwidth icon and the size of bandwidths on FM, medium wave, long wave, shortwave, and airband. And you have a list of the international broadcast bands here. So kind of nice. Then after that, of course, we go to the radio. So here is the pouch with the radio in it. Of course, it comes with a power adapter. Oops. The power adapters right here. So this is a power adapter made by Sangean to power the radio if you need to power it. So of course got this really nice big ferrite or toroid here to reduce interference. That's going to be nice to test out. It has the famous Sangean AN60 shortwave reel-in antenna. It has a pair of earbuds. So these are going to be checked out for their quality of the earbuds. A lot of radios come with very crappy earbuds. This one is going to be interesting to see how good of a quality they are. If I can get them out of their pouch here, we'll check out what they look like. They don't look like very high quality ones, but we'll be checking that out for sure. A lot of these radios, unfortunately, come with rather ordinary, ordinary. Of course, we've got the instruction manual, of course, here, small instruction manual. And we've got a warranty. There's a warranty card here. So a warranty card. Comes in a nice little pouch that you see here. It kind of vinyl, black vinyl pouch. And it has, of course, the radio in it. And this is a beautiful receiver. This is kind of silver colored, very nice looking, very beautiful looking radio, honestly. We got to give this to Sangean, that their radio looks very high quality. And here's a little stand with the world map, and the battery compartment is here. Right now it has Energizer batteries in it because it's been pre-tested by friend Kevin, and I want to thank Kevin for sending me this radio. It's really nice to have here. We'll put rechargeables in here, of course. And of course, telescopic antenna. Has a lot of similarities. We'll be comparing that. A lot of similarities with the older receiver, but up to now, looks pretty good actually. And I like the silver or metal colored, brush metal colored, really nice. And hopefully this is going to be a pretty cool radio to play around with. For sure, if I so this is going to be very, very nice indeed to play with, for sure. Buttons on top for the world time, and of course inscription of the ATS-909X2. So, of course, expect a lot of videos coming up today. We'll be testing it, and of course, we'll be testing it against the original 909X and even the original one from the past, but definitely this is going to be tested against its little brother, the Sangean ATS-909X that is going to be compared with. You know, I mean, this is an upgrade, or supposed to be upgrade, so this is of course definitely going to be something that we're wondering, is it such an upgrade? Is it really better than the you know, the original or the 909X? Of course, it has a few little things that the 909X does not have. This including the Airband. The 909X does not have Airband, and so these are a few little things that will make this radio, kind of set this radio apart, if you want. So this is going to be interesting, and we'll be comparing this. I was looking if I had my 909X with me right now, but no. Anyways, we'll be comparing them in a separate video where we're going to show the differences that are on these little receivers here. So more videos coming up. Of course, we're going to test this baby and make sure that we can check out how good of a performance it has, and see if it's worth its price tag at the same time. Comparing it also with what I think the fair competition, comparing it with the Tecsun PL-990X is going to be a pretty darn good way of testing this radio. Also comparing how both actually receive and if one is better than the other. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.